everybody, welcome to Math Made Easy by Planet Spark. Let's get started with the next part of the chapter, congruence of triangles, everybody. Okay, chaliye ji, last time we discussed SAS criteria and ASA criteria, right? Today we'll be discussing RHS criteria, that is specially for right angle triangles. और कुछ properties करेंगे of isosceles triangles. Let's get started then. Now RHS applies only to right angle triangles. Why is that? Full form देखते हैं. RHS, that is right angle hypotenuse and a side. In a right angle triangle, अगर ये तीन चीजें equal हैं to the corresponding three things of the other right angle triangle, then we say the right angle triangle is congruent. Let's see what exactly is happening here. Let's say एक ये triangle है हमारे पास right angle triangle and this is the another one. Okay, let's say triangle ABC and PQR. दोनों में एक angle equal होगा, that is the right angle, 90 degree angle. Then the hypotenuse should be equal, so let's say AC is equal to PR. Then any side could be any side. It could be AB equal to PQ or BC is equal to QR. Anything will work. Let's say we are taking this AB is equal to PQ. Then we can say the triangles are congruent. Okay. Right angle, hypotenuse and side are equal. RHS criteria. So what do we have here? Two sides and one angle, right? So we can say this criteria works only with right angle triangles. Remember that. चलिए जी, hypotenuse we all know is the opposite side of the right angle. Then isosceles triangle की अगर हम बात करें, let's say we have a triangle here that is X, Y, Z. तो triangle isosceles कब होगी? When two sides are equal, right? That is X, Y is equal to X, Z. It follows with the property that the angles opposite to equal sides are also equal. तो अगर ये दो side equal हैं तो इनके opposite जो angles हैं वो भी क्या होंगे? Equal. So we can say angle Y is equal to angle Z. Equal angles imply opposite sides are equal, right? Angles equal हैं तो sides equal होंगी, sides equal हैं तो opposite angles equal होंगे. Okay. And perpendicular from the vertex bisects the base. इस vertex से अगर हम एक perpendicular drop करेंगे then it will bisect the base. तो ये दो भी क्या होंगे? Equal. This will be the midpoint of the base. We'll prove all of these things through questions. Don't worry. Criteria clear everybody? Okay then. Let's move ahead. Let's look at the first question. ABC and DEF two triangles are there जिनमें B and E are 90 degree angles. So क्या है हमारे पास? Two right angle triangles. चलिए जी, angle B is 90 degree and E is 90 degree. Then we have AC is equal to DF, that is hypotenuse भी equal है, AB is equal to DE. So what do we have here? Right angle, hypotenuse and a side equal. So by RHS rule, what can we say? We can say the triangles are congruent. Proof के लिए क्या करेंगे? Simply put all the parts that are given to you. Let's say angle B is equal to angle E, 90 degree each. Then AC is equal to DF, that is the hypotenuse. Then AB is equal to DE, that is the side. This is the right angle. So by RHS rule, after this just write by RHS rule, the triangles are congruent, hence proved. That's it. Okay ji, next question. In triangle ABC, okay, we have this triangle here. Those sides हमें equal given हैं, AB is equal to AC. What can you say about angle B and angle C? We know, we just read the property, they will be equal. But what can you say means, what can you prove here? We have to prove it. तो उसके लिए क्या करेंगे? Simply A से एक perpendicular drop करेंगे. That means this angle is 90 degree, this angle is 90 degree. तो क्या मिल गया हमें? Two right angle triangles, right? अब triangles की congruency की help से we will prove that these two angles are equal. और जो भी चीज़ें हमें equal prove करनी है. So let's get started. Okay, ये तो triangle है. let's write the name. In triangle APB and triangle APC. Okay, in these two triangles क्या क्या equal है? First of all, the 90-degree angle. So we can say angle APB is equal to angle APC 90 degree each. Right? Right angle. Then ये side हमें equal given है, AB is equal to AC. But for these two right angle triangles, what are these sides? Side opposite to the 90-degree angle. That means the hypotenuse. तो hypotenuse भी equal given है. Then और कोई side equal given है? Yes, it's hidden there because it's common. Look at the side AP. AP is a part of both the triangles. That is the common side. So I can say AP is equal to AP. That is a side. So by RHS rule, triangle APB is congruent to triangle APC. जब दो triangles congruent हो, so how can we write the corresponding parts to be equal? Yes, by CPCT. So by CPCT I can say तीन चीजें हमारे पास equal है, बाकी तीन भी equal होंगी. What are these rest three? Yes, angle B is equal to angle C. These sides BP is equal to PC and this angle as well. Let's say angle 1 and angle 2. Hence proved. Right? अब यहाँ से हमने तीन चीजें prove की. Let's look at them carefully. First of all, when two sides of a triangle are equal, then the angle opposite to them are also equal. So ये क्या हो गई? Isosceles triangle की property. Then when we drop a perpendicular from the vertex in an isosceles triangle, what can we say? That this is intersecting at the midpoint of the base. It is bisecting the base because we have got BP is equal to PC. तो P क्या हो गया? BC का midpoint. Right everybody? And this is acting as angle bisector for angle A because it is dividing angle A into two parts. Angle 1 and angle 2, and these two are also equal. Right? Let's see the next question. इन्हीं में से कुछ prove करना होगा हमें. Yes. Another way of just writing the same thing. Prove that sides opposite to equal angles are equal. Same thing, but now the angles are given to be equal. Okay. So let's say angle 1 is equal to angle 2. We have to prove AB is equal to AC. Let's say to prove AB is equal to AC. Again triangles की help से prove करेंगे. Drop a perpendicular. So we have got a 90-degree angle, right everybody? We have got a common side and we have got another angle equal. So दो angle अगर हमारे पास equal हैं in a triangle, we can say the third angle also will be equal, right? So ये angle भी equal होंगे by angle sum property. Let's say angle 3 equal to angle 4. 90-degree angle equal, angle 1 equal to angle 2. So angle 3 equal to angle 4, right? अब एक common side जो हमारे पास है, we can choose this and these two angles. इससे क्या होगा? Yes everybody. It will give us the two angle and the included side criteria, ASA criteria, right? So from here we can say angle 3 is equal to angle 4, then AP is equal to AP common side, then angle APB is equal to angle APC. So what can we say here? What is the criteria everybody? Yes, angle side angle. That is by ASA rule. What can we say here? That which two triangles are congruent? Triangle APB is congruent to triangle APC. Then by CPCT, the corresponding parts will be equal, the rest parts. So ये दो side equal होंगी, ये दो side equal होंगी, rest everything is already equal. So I can say by CPCT, AB is equal to AC. Hence proved. तो isosceles triangle में these are the two proofs that we use everybody. या तो sides equal given होंगी, we can prove the angles to be equal by RHS. Or angles are given equal, we can prove the sides to be equal by ASA rule. दोनों triangles को congruent prove करना है basically. Whatever the rule is there that clicks that you can see there, you can use that by CPCT. Hence proved. चलिए जी, next one. Into right angle triangle, hypotenuse is 10 centimeter. Okay. लेट्स से 10 सेंटीमीटर 10 सेंटीमीटर, वन साइड इज 6 सेंटीमीटर। चलिए जी, ये है 6 सेंटीमीटर, ये दो एंगल्स क्या हैं 90 डिग्री, राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल। सो आर दे कॉन्ग्रुएंट? Absolutely. What all do we have here? Right angle, hypotenuse and side, right angle, hypotenuse and side. So by RHS rule the triangles are congruent. Yes. Next one, in triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC, AD is perpendicular to BC, prove that BD is equal to DC. क्या है क्वेश्चन? ऑलरेडी अभी जस्ट हम प्रूव करके आए हैं। एक ट्राइंगल है ABC which is an isosceles triangle क्योंकि AB और AC equal है। Then एक perpendicular ड्रॉप किया है AD on BC. We have to prove BD is equal to DC. Right? We just proved back here. Let's go 2 questions back here. Right? Perpendicular जब हम ड्रॉप करेंगे from the vertex in an isosceles triangle, then it will bisect the base. We just proved here. Same proof we can just put here. क्या करेंगे? दो ट्राइंगल्स को कॉन्ग्रुएंट प्रूव करेंगे, दीज टू ट्राइंगल्स बाय RHS कॉन्ग्रुएंसी, देन बाय CPCT दीज टू आर इक्वल, दैट मीन्स D क्या है? BC का मिड पॉइंट, हेंस प्रूव्ड। ओके, इजी पीजी। चलिए जी, प्रूव दैट परपेंडिकुलर फ्रॉम वर्टेक्स ऑफ आइसोसेलेस ट्राइंगल बाइसेक्ट्स द बेस। प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन का ही अनदर वर्जन, दैट इज यहाँ पे चीज़ें हमें गिवन है एंड हियर in form of statements the same thing is written कि अगर हमारे पास एक isosceles triangle है और vertex से, vertex means the vertex between the pair of equal sides, यहाँ से अगर हम perpendicular drop करें तो it will bisect the base. Same चीज़ prove करनी है। Okay, so all of these proof of isosceles triangle everybody is based on simply a thing, vertex से perpendicular drop करेंगे, दोनों triangles को congruent prove करेंगे, that's it. Okay, चलिए जी, let's summarize what we learned here. The RHS rule, right angle, hypotenuse and side, किसके लिए use करते हैं हम? Right angle triangle के लिए, and it requires equality of hypotenuse, one corresponding side, and of course the 90-degree angle, right? Then isosceles triangle के लिए we read the properties, दो sides equal होती हैं और उनके दो opposite angles भी equal होते हैं। We can prove both the things, that equal angle implies equal sides and equal sides implies equal angles. उसमें construction involve होती है of dropping a perpendicular from the vertex to the base, right? Then we can easily prove this, and this will bisect the base, this will bisect this angle also. All of these things we can prove here everybody. Okay, simply दो triangles की congruency के through. So that was all everybody. Thank you very much for joining. That was all in triangles regarding congruency. अब बची है हमारे पास एक बहुत important property, that is inequality property, that we'll be covering in the next video, so stay tuned.